This year, we've completed 5 years. August 2015 is when it all started. I joined in February 2018, and what an exciting journey it has been. And of course, we're finishing these 5 years in midst of such, if I can say, transformational times. I think for the first time, human existence has seen what exactly is VUCA. Volatile, uncertain, complex, and very, very ambiguous times. And in such times, yes, our conviction and our faith that in our B schools, the majority of the conversations should be around timeless principles like compassion, integrity, sustainability, inclusiveness, diversity, and of course, mindfulness. We want to have a very differentiated product coming out of this campus. A product, a graduate, which would not just practice all these virtues, but will also have a very healthy mind in a healthy body. That perhaps explains why we are the only IIM with a full-fledged sports stadium. We want our graduates to practice what can be termed as middle path. We want our graduates to be what can be known as sthit pragya.
Hello, I am Dr. Manaswita Bharadwaj. I am an assistant professor of OBHR here at IIM Bodh Gaya. I joined the institute in December 2019, and since then it has been a beautiful journey of learning and experiencing. We are located at Bodh Gaya, which is where Lord Buddha attained his enlightenment, and building on this heritage, we aspire to become the enlightening IIM, emphasizing on values such as mindfulness and well-being. And it was my great fortune that within a month of my joining, His Holiness the Dalai Lama visited our campus and inspired us to carry forward the legacy of knowledge and enlightenment. We are completing 5 years since our inception, and each one of us is proud of what we have achieved so far. On this occasion, I would like to congratulate and also acknowledge the contribution of the people who have made IIM Bodh Gaya what it is today. I feel truly blessed to be a part of this institution. Thank you.
Hello. Today, IIM Bodh Gaya has completed 5 years. 5 years of joy, elation, and lots of hard work. I remember when I first stepped into my office, we were a young and budding institute. But now, I am so proud to belong to a mature institution that is ready to take on newer challenges and overcome them. Students are the lifeblood of our institute. They have proved their mettle not only in academics but also beyond the curriculum. They have represented our country on numerous international platforms across the globe, have secured numerous accolades and prizes in sports, management, and cultural activities in their big bag of achievements. Through the various clubs and committees of our institute, our students have successfully organized numerous high-profile events like Elegante, the Cultural Sports and Management Fest of IIM Bodh Gaya. Last year, Elegante witnessed footfall of thousands of people who participated in our cultural fest from across the country. I am certain that all stakeholders of IIM Bodh Gaya, all the good people at our institute will, by the sweat of their brow and the strength of their conviction, make our institute a shining light in the world. Thank you very much.
Today is a very special day for me as IIM Bodh Gaya completes 5 years of its existence. I truly feel privileged to be a part of this fraternity since its inception. Looking back 5 years down the lane, I still remember my first day of joining this esteemed institution under the mentorship of IIM Calcutta. The 2-year flagship postgraduate program at IIM Bodh Gaya began with 30 students, a single classroom and 1 employee in the PGP office. Curriculum was taken care by visiting faculty members from IIM Calcutta. Things immensely progressed when the institute got its first director, Dr. Vinita Sahai, in the year 2018. Under the headship and supervision of Madam Director, work was enhanced to around 50 employees and infrastructural amenities improved drastically. PGP committee was constituted and under the leadership of PGP chairperson, policies and courses were revisited. Targeting 100% placements, the curriculum was incorporated with updated and industry-endorsed courses. Further, the admission process geared up and with the inclusion of CAP and SAP processes, student strength increased to 300. Now, we have 4 employees in the PGP office, 5 classrooms, fully automated learning resource center with state-of-art amenities and access of e-books, e-journals and databases. The span of 5 years helped me personally witness what it takes to establish an IIM and enjoy seeing its growth as time went by. From the very first day, it was a learning experience in developing our own unique and independent identity. On the eve of our 5th Foundation Day, I would like to extend my gratitude to Madam Director for her immense contribution in steering the institution to greater success. On behalf of PGP office and IIM Bodh Gaya fraternity, I thank her for her true guidance and mentorship. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dr. Medha Srivastav. I've been serving IIM Bodh Gaya since 2018 as faculty in the area of marketing. I have the privilege of being a part of the founding faculty team of this young institution with a grand heritage and boundless possibilities for growth and development. Over the last few years, I've seen my institution going through the struggles of being a new campus, but never, even for a moment, backing off on any front of development and academic excellence. As the person responsible for cultivating and maintaining international relations of the institution, I can most certainly tell you about the incredible journey that IR team has undertaken and the milestones that we have been able to achieve so far. So at present, we stand at 14 partnerships with reputed B schools all across the world for student exchange, faculty mobility, and research collaboration. Most of our partner institutions are AACSB, EQUIS or AMBA accredited, while some of them are what we call triple crown institutions who have all 3 remarkable accreditations, AMBA, EQUIS and AACSB to their credit. We have students from MIP Italy enrolled in various elective courses at IIM Bodh Gaya, while one of our faculty members, Professor Saman Saurabh, is all set to take a course at ISM Germany starting this November in a virtual mode, of course. So with all this and much more, IIM Bodh Gaya has secured a distinct place for itself in the management education fraternity in India. It's an honor to be here and to be able to contribute to a masterpiece in making. I sincerely believe that IIM Bodh Gaya is going to achieve great heights with robust internationalization, accreditation, and a continued pursuit of academic excellence in all spheres of management education and research. Thank you.
Hello everyone. IIM Bodh Gaya has completed 5 years. It's a milestone and a moment of celebration. I wish to congratulate each one of you who have been part of this journey in whatever big and small ways. This is just the beginning. Our dreams are high and we have miles to go. What attracted me to IIM Bodh Gaya were two things. One was definitely the brand IIM, and secondly and equally important was its location, that is the land of enlightenment Bodh Gaya. And when I started my professional journey here 8 months back, I knew it was meant to be something more deeper than just a professional journey. When I came here, I was glad to know that the plans to set up a mindfulness center was already in place and the seeds had already been sown by our Honorable Director Ma'am. At IIM Bodh Gaya, we just don't talk about productivity and engagement, but we also talk about employee well-being and thriving organizations. Hence, IIM Bodh Gaya is committed to develop not just business leaders, but mindful business leaders. With a motivated and enthusiastic bunch of students, faculty and staff, I see a very bright future for IIM Bodh Gaya. As a young campus, I know we have a lot of challenges in front of us, but I see each and every challenge as an opportunity to contribute and make an impact. And we at IIM Bodh Gaya are not just ready for the challenge, but we actually welcome the challenge with open arms. Thank you.